Forgotten username recovery failed on Charles Schwab App Fix. If you've struggled to recover your Charles Schwab username, most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or ignoring key verification steps. The good news is that with the right approach, you can regain access quickly and safely. Step 1. Open the Charles Schwab app or visit the login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Schwab will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often get filtered, and missing them is the main reason the process fails. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as it can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, gather verification information such as your full name, social security number, and recent account activity. Contact Schwab support directly with these details for faster assistance. Step 4. Once you recover your username, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, helping prevent future login issues. By following these steps carefully, you can regain access to your Charles Schwab account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are key to keeping your financial information safe and accessible.